Hair fall is troublesome and is common problem among men and women. So today we'll discuss simple and quick home remedies to control hair fall. Our first favorite pick is green tea. Soak 3 bags in 2 cups of hot water depending on the length of your hair. When the tea cools down, spray generously in your hair while gently massaging your head. Rinse with cool water after an hour. This tea helps boost hair growth and prevent hair loss. The second favorite is yogurt, honey and lemon mixture. Mix 4 tablespoons of yogurt with 2 tablespoons of honey and a few drops of lemon juice in a bowl. Apply this paste to the scalp and roots. Leave it for an hour before rinsing with cold water. Try to apply this paste once a week for a nourished and stronger hair. The third favorite is aloe vera extract. Take the stalk of aloe vera and extract the pulp. Apply it to your hair and scalp and leave it for about 60 minutes. Rinse with normal water. You can do this 4 times a week to see better results. The amazing aloe vera is best for hair loss and to boost hair growth. The fourth favorite home remedy to control hair fall is fenugreek seeds. Soak the fenugreek seeds overnight in water. In morning, use the same water to grind it into a fine paste and apply it to your hair and scalp. Leave the paste on your head for about 30 minutes. You may also cover your scalp using a shower cap to keep it moist. After 30 to 40 minutes, rinse it with normal water. Do it twice a week for a month to control hair fall and naturally regrow hair. Fenugreek seeds or methi dana is among the best home remedies to stop hair loss. It repairs hair follicles and helps in the regrowth of hair. The fifth favorite home remedy to control hair fall is onion juice. To extract onion juice, grind the onion and then squeeze out the juice. Dip the cotton ball in onion juice and apply it to your scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it off using normal water and a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Follow this procedure once a week and see the difference. The magical onion juice do for your hair. Sulfur content improves the circulation of blood to the hair follicles. It promotes hair growth and controls the loss of hair. So these are the super quick, easy and natural home remedies to control hair fall and get back thick, shiny hair. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.